Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video. As in the last discussion, in the last video we have discussed the average, that's the arithmetic mean. So in this we are discussing another average that's called the median. Okay. So we are discussing the median of the data that we have. What does it mean? So median is defined as the measure of the central item when the data are arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. So ascending or descending order of their magnitude. Okay. So now, as I said that it is the central item. So if we have the data that has the odd number, so for example the number of observations are odd number of observations, then obviously the central item will be n plus number of observation plus 1 divided by 2. So but make sure that the data should be either in the ascending order, descending order. Or if we have the even number of observations, so then the median is actually the average of the middle two. That is, we need 1 by 2 and we need 1 by 2 n plus 1 item. Okay, and take the mean, so divide it with the 2. Okay, for example, I will give you the example here. For example, if you have to find the median of the data that you have, for example 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So you have already here the number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you have the 7 observations. So then you have to find the median, so that is 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So that is 8 divided by 2. So that means the fourth one is your median. But note it should be either in ascending or descending, and here the data is in ascending. So our fourth one is the 10. So the median of the data is 10. Okay. So this is when we have the even number or the odd number. For example, I will take the another one. You have the 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what you will do, you will take the, here you have the number of observations are 8. Yes or no? So we have the 8 observations. So 8 divided by 2, that's 4. And 8 plus 1 divided by 2, that is, sorry, 8 plus 1 is So we have the 8, and that's the fourth one, and then 4 plus 1 is the fifth one. So 1 2 3. So this is our fourth one. 1 2 3, this is our fourth one. So we have 10 plus 11 divided by 2. Okay, so that's 21 divided by 2. So that's 10.5 is the median of this data. Another one, for example, if you have the data in this 4 1 7 3 8 5, so you will say our observation are the 6. What you have to find the median. So as I told you that you have to sort it. So when you will sort it, you will write 1 3 4 5 7 and 8. Now this is in the ascending order. So the middle point you will see, so here and here. So we have the 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is the third. So we need the fourth one as well. So this is the third and the fourth one. Okay, so what will be the median? 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So the median is 4.5. So this is when we have the data as a discrete one. So now sometimes we have the group data. Okay, so for the group data, for grouped data, the median is equal to L plus 1 by 2, the total number of observation, minus frequency divided by F. Sorry, this is the frequencies times I. So what is this L? This L is the lower limit of the median class, because we are talking about the group data. Okay, this F is the frequency of the class I, ith class, sorry, of that class. Okay, this I is that width of the class interval. This F, capital F, is the total of all preceding frequencies of the median class. And this N is the total frequency of the data. It's not the observations, because we have the group data. So for example, we will do it. Okay, you have to keep this formula in your mind. Then we go through one data. For example, you have the data as number of days for which absent less than, and you have the number of students. For example, you have the 5 number of days and the 29 students are absent. For the 10 days, we have 224. For the 15, you have the 465. You have the 20, then 582 students. You have the 25, 634 students. You have the 634 students. You have the 650 students. You have the 653 students, and you have the 45, and you have the student 655. So this is a question, and you have to find the median for this data. So the given frequencies, the given cumulative frequency distribution will first be converted into, we will convert it into the ordinary frequency. Okay, so what we will do, see, we have the 5 students, number of days is 5, so we will take the class as 0 to 5. Then we have the 10, so we will take the class as 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Okay, so 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and 40 to 45. So we have now classes. Okay, so the frequency you have, the cumulative frequency, this is cumulative frequency. So that is 29, 224, 465, 582, 634, 634, 650, 653, and 655. Okay, now so now what you have to check, you have to check the median. Okay, so you have the cumulative frequencies here. So what we will do, we will find the ordinary frequency. So ordinary frequency, how we will do, so this is 29, so it is 29. This is 2 to 4, so it will be 2 to 4 minus 29, so it will be 195. So now 465 minus 2 to 4, it gives you 241. And similarly 582 minus 465, it will give you 117. So 634 minus 582, it will give you 52. And here 634 minus 630, sorry, this is not 64, it is 644. Okay, so it is 644. So 644 minus 634, it gives you the 10. So 650 minus 644, it gives you the 6. 653 minus 650, it gives you the 3. And then 655 minus 653, it gives you the 2. So what is the median? So okay, so median is size of, so 655 divided by 2, or we will say 3 to 7.5th item, and you will check 3 to 7.5th item lies in 10 to 15, yes or no? So up to here we have the 195, and then we have the here up to the 465, so it will lie in the 10 to 15. Okay, so we have only 2 to 4 here, so after the 327.5th item will be in the class 10 to 15. So which is the median class? So we have the median class as 10 to 15. Now we have to analyze it on this. So then what is the median? L, lower limit of the median class. So what lower limit is here? 10. Okay. So we have the median as lower limit of the class plus n by 2 minus, I wrote f here, so that is c, you can also say, okay, that's the preceding frequencies divided by, so f into I. So that is now lower class. As lower limit of the median class, so median class is 10 to 5, so it is 10 plus n. N is stands for the total frequency. And what is the total frequency? So 655. Total frequency is 655 divided by 2. Okay. Minus C. What is C? C is stands for the cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. Just preceding the median class, the frequency was 2 to 4. So I will write it 2 to 4. Okay. So this is 10 plus. Okay. So then the f, small f here. So this f stands for the frequency of the median class. What is the frequency? 241, ordinary frequency, that is 241, multiply the I, that's the class interval. The class interval is 15 minus 10, that is 5 width. So 5. So when you will commute it, it will be 10 plus, this will be 103.5 multiply 5 divide by 241, so that is 10 plus 2.15, that gives you 12.15. okay, so this is the median of the data, that is the classified data or grouped data. So in the grouped data you have to keep in mind this formula, that is the median is the lower limit of the class median class plus n by 2. So n by 2 is here total frequency divided by 2 minus the frequency of that class, sorry, the minus f, that means the cumulative frequency of the previous class divided by f is the frequency of the median class multiply the width. So this can be done when we have the group data. So this way you will do. And in the next class we will discuss about another average that's called the mode. Thank you very much and share the video with your colleagues. Thank